Ngayong araw ay wala rito si Sofia. Isang buong linggo na nasa trip sa Sofia. Kanina lang namin inihatid sa train station. Yung buong swimming club nila may trip. Kasama na yung training nila. So, isang linggo sila doon. At so sa buong isang linggo na vlog namin wala si Sofia. Gawa nga nasa trip siya. So ngayon, may ginagawa kami ni Hana. Namimintura kami dito. May isa pang pinto na pininturahan namin. Katapos lang ng planer namin. And our CC, dito lang nakabantay sa amin. Habang kami namimintura. Mas mabilis sana ito kung roller.
What did you say?
It's gonna be more faster if we use roller.
I don't have a roller.
Yeah, I know. Otherwise we already use it.
You know, I have another surprise for you.
What?
I have a plan to do these doors. Are you happy?
Door?
Yeah, this door. So the first layer is done, and tomorrow then.
So you're gonna put another layer?
Yeah, another layer tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow, yeah.
Alright, okay. I thought like we just gonna wait until it's finished, until it's dry.
Maybe it can dry maybe fast on the. Yeah, we will try later.
Okay. Which door? This one?
Yeah.
Painted?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's in my plan for this year.
Huh?
That's in my plan for this year.
Ah, not today.
No, not today.
I thought like today, like hers.
No.
How you would do that because we still have doors. We are painting doors inside.
Yeah.
Hana never
Stop
working here. Yeah, she has so many projects here, and next year this is her project. Next year.
Yeah, we're gonna continue with the tiles.
I'm hoping that she will not ask money from me anymore.
No, it's gonna be only work from you. Muscles.
Joke. If she needs money, I give her money.
Thank you. It's recorded now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Look at that. So this door is door from the hallway. So tinanggal na naman ni Hana. At plininer ko to. At ngayon ay pinapinturahan namin. So how many layer, darling?
I hope that only 2.
2 layers.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So back to back to. After this one, flip it over. And then another one. Tapos na kami magpintura. Pero siya na non-stop yan. Yun na rin yung ingay siya yan.
Yeah, simply here only, but here no.
Ipapalitan daw niya. So, what are you going to replace the handle? What's the tiles?
Different tiles.
Different tiles.
Yeah.
Okay. When are we gonna change it?
You will change it tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay.
So okay, simply this one, yeah, and this one, yeah. Can you remove it?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Oh, extra.
Oh!
My goodness. So, tingnan niyo yung floor. Na-mop ni Hana yung floor dahil sa basag na tiles yung nahulog accidentally. So, it means sa Thursday, wala akong gagawin dito kundi yung paglilinis na lang ng aming room, aming kwarto. Tingnan nyo, sobrang linis ko kasi na-mop niya. Kasi every Thursday, minamap ko to.
So I did your job, yeah?
Huh?
I did your job.
Yeah, you did my job. Thank you, darling, yeah? Less job for me on Thursday.
So you're gonna do my job then?
What's your job?
I don't know yet.
Don't know yet, so you're gonna give me job? Yeah. Anyway, I have really much job on Thursday.
Yeah?
I'm gonna...
Maybe you're gonna cut the grass?
Yeah, of course. I will. Because it's really long now. Look at that. It's a bit windy now. Look, so medyo mahaba na yung damo. Kailangan ng i-mower uli. Ayan. Medyo madilim na naman yung panahon. Medyo mahangin. Kaya naka-jacket na ako. Kasi pag mahangin dito, iba yung hangin dito. Yung malamig. Kaya pag summer, pag medyo mahangin, okay yung panahon. Hindi talaga siya mainit. Pwede kang maglakad-lakad. Pero ganito na, makulimlim na. Nagtago na yung araw. So pag ito, yung simoy ng hangin, medyo malamig. Dito yung pinto na tinanggal ni Hana. Ito. So papasok doon. Ito yung living room ni Mamingka. Yan. Ito naman yung pinto ni Sofia. Tapos na to. Pinturahan. Magandang pagkapintura ni Hana. Nagmukha na siyang bagong pintura. Ganun pa rin yung pintura. Pero wala na siyang smooth na. Okay?
Mukha kang pagod palagi. Wala ka namang ginagawa. Tulog ka na lang ng tulog. Halika na, mag-jogging na tayo. Halika na. Jogging na tayo. Marami pa tayong gagawin ngayon. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Okay.
Wala rito si Sofia. Nasa trip. Sa Sabado pa yung balik nun. Si Hana nasa work. So, natatawa ko sa asang ito. Kasi nilabas na ni Hana. Tapos nung pag-alis ni Hana, bumalik dito sa taas. Iyak nang iyak dyan sa labas ng pinto. Kasi nga nakalock yung pinto, di ba? Naririnig ko siya. Pag akyat dito, ayun. Come on. Let's go, Sisi. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Ito yung unang walking namin uli. Mula nung na-aksidente siya. So, sabi ko sarili ko talagang traumatized yun. Kaya walking lang muna. Iwasan muna yung jogging. So, walking. Pero alam ko yung pagka-excited niya, talagang yung nakita niya yung kanyang pangtali. Talagang nagluluntag sa tuwa. Alam niya ilalabas ko siya. Okay, yeah. So dito kaming dalawa. Dito sa village sa Radon. Ikutin lang namin tong Radon papunta ng park. At para na rin makapag-refresh sa simoy ng hangin. Kasi talagang magandang panahon. Mainit. Alas 7 pa lang ng umaga. Kaya okay ang dating. Hindi pa ganun kainit. So si Sofia, katatawag lang. And na-enjoy niya talaga yung kanyang trip sa kanyang swimming team. At 2 beses silang nag-training sa isang araw. Umaga at hapon ang training nila. 2 hours each sa swimming pool. At masaya naman siya at least nagkaroon siya ng mga bonding talaga sa kanyang team. Kasi dati swimming lang, uwi kagad. Hindi niya makakausap kagad yung mga ibang mga kids. Ngayon naka-stay sila sa hotel. So sa loob ng isang kwarto, 2 sila. So lahat siyam sila na girls at parang 10 boys plus yung mga trainers nila. So yan. So ganda talaga maglakad-lakad dito sa loob ng village. Kasi aso nga lang marinig mo. Nabisita uli ang magandang park ng Radun. Yan. So inaamoy-amoy niya yung mga kanyang dinaanan. Ganda talaga dito, no? Sobrang linis, oh. At maliwalas ang panahon. Yan dito sa fish pond ay maraming mga kwan dito. Trout ata ang isda rito. Kaya lang dito pag may-ari ng itong kwan, council ng Radun, pwede ka namang mamingwit ito, kailangan mo magbayad, kailangan mo ng lisensya. Okay, Sisi, let's go. Walk around, Sisi. Come on, let's go, let's go. Akala ko kanina walking lang, pero masyado siyang hyper, kaya sinabayan ko yung takbo. At least dito sa loob ng park, safe dito. Basta wag lang umulan, kasi pag maulan medyo maputik tong park. Kasi kung lang yun parang graba, oh. Pero doon banda sa loob mismo ng park, maputik pag tag-ulan. Okay, at least naka-isang ikot kami rito sa park, and time to go home kasi marami pang gagawin sa bahay. Laking ibon, oh. Sisi, come on, Sisi. Tingnan natin kung lilipad siya uli. Woo! Wow. Yan. Yan, malamig yung bato. Kaya pahinga mo siya. Talagang napagod siya. Mahaba na yung damo. Diba? So, kailangan na uli i-mower. Ito nakakalbo rito. Hindi namin alam bakit nakakalbo. So nilagyan namin ng abono, yung compost na fertilizer. Umpisa natin mag-mower, at pagkatapos nito may time pa ako magluto para sa panalian. Time is 8:30. Let's go habang hindi pa ganong mainit. Ito yung nakaka-istorbo rito, yung wire. May mga mower na di gasoline, kaya lang sobrang mahal daw, kaya hindi nila binili noon. Akala niya nagkipaglaro ako sa kanya. So hindi pa ako tapos. Doon pa sa likod. Dito. So ang gagawin ko, pag mga doon na banda, hindi ko na siya ginagamitan ng ganito. Okay? Dito kaya. Okay, daanan ko to rito. Kasi makapal na rin dito. So dadaanan ko to. So, doon banda sa front garden, tatapusin ko doon. So yan muna, daming trabaho sa bahay. Kala nyo lang pag nag-iisa ka sa bahay, daming gagawin. Pero alam nyo, may nagtanong sa akin, hindi na po ako nag-exercise dito, yung nag-gym, no. Ginagawa ko kasi sabi lang parang pumapayat ka. Hindi po ako pumapayat, nagiging ako ng kilogram dito. Kaya lang hindi ganong halata kasi nag-intermittent fasting ako. At para iwas sa gutom, pag palagi kang gumagalaw, nakakalimutan mo yung pagkain. Kaya yun ang aking sekreto. So, galaw-galaw pag may time. So, hindi pa tapos at tatapusin ko muna yung front garden. So ilang araw nang hindi umulan, yung lupa tigang na, kaya kailangan ng bisbisan. So nagbibisbis ako ngayon ng kamatis. Tuwing hapon nagbibisbis kami ng kamatis pag hindi umulan. So yan, tinutulungan lang ako ni Hana. Dumating bigla si Hana. Oh, yun. I think she did here already, darling, huh? Yeah, okay. Bis muna si Japit Boy. Ganyan lang dito, oh. Oh, trabaho to, ha? Sabihin nyo, patamad-tamad ako rito. May isa na naman akong basher. Sinabi niya tamad daw ako. Darling, I have one basher again.
Really?
He said that I'm too lazy here. These stones that we piled up,
yeah.
I was the one carrying from outside, right, to here.
Yeah.
And he said, like, you should have done it all. Why do you include Milan?
Because Milan organized it.
Milan will not allow me to file these stones up. Will not allow me by myself. Milan is the architect of this house. He's been living in this house since right after his wedding with Helen. Right? Milan has been living in this house maybe 30 years already.
Oh,
More than.
more.
Now you want me to take over Milan's job? He will kick my bottom. Yeah. Milan is the king of this house. Nobody else. Okay? So, ako naman sabihin na natin si Hana. We can say Hana is the legit owner of this house. Yeah? Pero, this house will not become like this without Milan. Do you understand? So, Hannah's dad died 25 years ago? Something like that, darling, right? 21 years ago. Milan was already here. Milan has been living here already. So, now when Milan said, wait for me, let's do this together, okay? I need to do that. I cannot just like decide by myself. You have to respect people who's been living here for their entire life. Yeah? These stones, although Hannah and I are the ones spending much money of these stones, but if Milan would say like this, we respect it. Okay? So hopefully you guys understand it. Kasi meron nga akong basher dito. Ganun. Pero anyway, a basher is always a basher, and I thank also the bashers, as I said, that they're watching our channel. But alright guys, so that's it, yeah? And we're gonna finish this watering the kamatis and something else all over. Kasi marami po. Okay, that's it for today. See you next time.